Opposition leader and activist Job Sikala has condemned ZANU-PF Midlands political kingpin Owen Muda Ncube for chanting the ruling party's hate-fueled slogan, saying Pasina Sikala down with Job Sikala in the aftermath of his recent moving speech in Geneva summit. Job Sikala delivered a sensational speech at the United Nations Human Rights and Democracy Summit in Geneva on Wednesday, prompting a hostile reaction from ZANU-PF officials and supporters.
Dear Zimbabweans and all our worldwide friends, I am disappointed and deeply troubled by threats against my life by Owen Muda Ncube. I want to condemn such a cowardly tactic aimed at silencing the voices of Zimbabwe's final liberation. These threats not only undermine the principles of democracy and freedom of expression, but also reveal the length to which some selfish individuals are against the people of Zimbabwe. It's quite unfortunate. Such utterances come at a time when all Zimbabweans are working hard to get Zimbabwe back to the Commonwealth. I urge all Zimbabweans, our development partners, diplomats and African Union, and the world as the whole, to condemn such careless utterances in the strongest words and action possible. I thank you.